HP Omen Gaming Laptop Intel Core i7-8750H NVIDIA GTX 1066GB HP 15DC0051NR. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I was looking at the Dell G7, Acer Predator Helios 300 and HP Omen 15. I have been using this laptop for 3 months. I love this laptop. It's a good one with nice features. I love the battery life and the looks. The laptop is nicely packed and the laptop looks small for the 15.6-inch, which I like the most. The weight is similar to the both laptop I was looking at. This is my first gaming laptop. I wanted to buy Dell G7 but I avoided it because of the heat issues. The package arrived on time safely. I really liked it from my first look. 1. The Windows starts in seconds. 2. It can run all games in Ultra. 3. Battery life is good, about 4 hours playing. 4. The cooling system works very well after updating the BIOS. At first I found it hard to install cracked games, but after I disabled the antivirus everything worked well. The screen looks bigger than I thought. It's amazing with tiny bezels. This sucker is big, bulky, and heavy. It is advertised as such, so I was expecting it. And it's a gaming laptop, so again, expected, but still. Fans do get pretty noisy. They definitely do their job, no doubt, but they will get loud on occasion even during minimal use. The no glare screen does still suffer from glare, but honestly, I don't think that's ever avoidable unless one uses blackout curtains. This screen is definitely better than most, but this still is glare. Many pros to this laptop. I could go on all day. This thing is amazing. No doubt about that. Any problems I have with it, as I explained, are either expected, or were accurately described in the description, so all things considered, this thing is great. Really can't ask for more. After a month of using, I have to say this is an amazing laptop. It's a premium level laptop with a lower price, powerful and beautiful. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.